Hey bag lovers! Today, we're diving into one of the most durable list of Bagsmart bags on Amazon for women. So without further intro, let's break it down for you. First up, we like to start with this Bagsmart women tote bag is amazing. It's very spacious, lightweight, and versatile. I can fit my laptop, iPad, magazines, clothes, cosmetics, and more in it. It also has a yoga mat strap, which is very convenient for me. I can use it as a work bag, a gym bag, a travel bag, or a casual shoulder bag. It's suitable for any occasion. The quality is also very good, and the customer service is excellent. I'm very happy with my purchase. Next, let's talk about this women makeup travel cosmetic bag. It has everything I need for my travels and daily use. It's spacious, well organized, easy to clean, and stylish. It fits all my makeup, skincare, and accessories without being bulky or heavy. The tassel zippers and the quilted design add a touch of elegance and charm. It's also very versatile and can be used as a purse organizer, a toiletry bag, or a tech accessories bag. It's the perfect gift for any woman who loves beauty and convenience. Moving on to this Bagsmart Toiletry travel bag, which is a great travel companion for me and my family. It has a large capacity and 4 separate compartments to organize all our toiletries and personal items. It also has a special design that keeps the bottles upright and allows easy access to the contents. The hook, the handle, and the zipper are very convenient and practical. The material is water-resistant, soft, and well padded to protect our stuff. It's perfect for overnight trips, long journeys, gym showers, and outdoor activities. I highly recommend it. Now, we have the Bagsmart bag for business trips, and I was very impressed by its quality and functionality. It has a large capacity and 6 compartments to store all my travel essentials, such as toiletries, makeup, brushes, and more. It also has a waterproof material, a detachable shoulder strap, and a swivel hook for easy carrying and hanging. It's very convenient and practical. It's not only a toiletry bag, but also a makeup bag and a shaving kit. It's a perfect gift for anyone who travels a lot. I love it. Last but not least, we have the Bagsmart Hanging Jewelry Organizer Roll. It has so many pockets and hooks to store all my jewelry and accessories. It is easy to hang and see everything at a glance. It also folds up nicely for travel and comes with extra sealed bags to protect my jewelry from tarnishing. It is a great solution for keeping my jewelry organized and accessible. So we came up to our list end, a roundup of the best Bagsmart bags on Amazon. Whether you prioritize durability, style, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product and happy shopping!